In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AM Tunnel VPN. Let's get started. First, download and install AM Tunnel Lite or AM Tunnel Plus from the Play Store, then open the app. Next, tap the menu icon and select Refresh Servers to refresh the server list. Go back to the main screen and choose a server or select Global or Auto for the best option. Now, pick your protocol. Use UDP or WireGuard for better speed, depending on what works on your network. After that, tap Start and allow the VPN permission. Wait until it shows connected. Then open a browser and check your IP to confirm it's working. If it doesn't connect, try switching servers or changing the protocol. That's it. Your AM Tunnel VPN should now be working. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.